In this video, I will show you the exact workflow how you can create 60 days of content in just 10 minutes by using Canva and Claude. So stick into this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you can see here, we are on our left of the screen. All you have to do is just open Canva and head to this template. So in this video, we are going to create an amazing Instagram carousel, which is time taking. If you are posting on Instagram carousel is a prominent way to get more engagement, more reach. So in this video, we will create an Instagram carousel by using Claude only. We don't gonna do any kind of editing. Now you can see you have plenty options available. So which one you like, you can go for it. I am looking for the little bit modern. So this one is looking good for me, like minimal yet modern font. So I can just, instead of this, I will select maybe this one, more creative. So I can just click on this, customize this template. If you want my templates to use, you can just check out the description. I have created a curated collection of the Instagram carousel, so you can use it and post it on your social handles. So all you have to do is now just, you have your template, but you don't want to add the content because it is time taking. So for that, we are using Claude. So now you can just search Claude on the Google and create your account. Also, you need to connect your account with the Claude. So for that, you can check out the video I've already created, how you can connect your Canva account with the Claude and do amazing stuff, create any kind of design right inside the Claude without switching your tab. So I'm just clicking on this new chat and I have a prompt, so which helped me. So in this video, I'm going to create a top 5 habit to stay productive as a 20-year-old. So I'm copying the exact prompt. You can see I'm copying the exact prompt. As I'm aware about, my Canva account is already connected with the Claude. So I'm just added this particular template link. Here you need to provide the template you have already selected. So I can just copy this URL, just copy this. Also you can copy from here as well. Anyone can edit, just copy this. Okay. Any of the link you like, you can just copy and paste it here. So once you paste it and send it, so it will analyze and go to your account and find out this particular design and start editing that particular design. Also, it will ask you a couple of questions. If you are doing this first time, allow access multiple times. So you need to just provide the access. It will go to you. So let's see what it will say. You can see it's a full template of 8-page clean minimal style. Now I'll update with our idea, top 5 habits to stay productive as a 20-year-old. That's our idea. So you can provide any kind of idea according to your needs. If you are operating in social media marketing domain, then you can provide the tools, apps and updates, anything you like. So in this particular thing, definitely Claude will help you a lot. Okay, so it is start briefing my carousel, like what is on the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, so you can see all the things it is added. Now you can just click on this design link. You can just click on and it will open. So you can see our template is edited with the idea, the content idea we have shared with. You can see habit 3, habit 4, habit 5, also the conclusion and the CTA. So here you need to do a thing, like you can just add your image, this small thing, because it is not allowing you to take this. So I'm just picking my image and put it here. You can just do. Now my content is ready to post. In this way, you can also create amazing stuff. If you want to edit any kind of design, and if you are finding up like how I can do in a productive way, you can just start using Claude, and it's really amazing thing. It is free to use. So there is not any kind of subscription you need to buy to use Claude to connect with Canva. Slide 6. I don't want. Can you please delete? Can you please change or delete? Even you can provide the instruction about the styling, the coloring changes. It will be definitely change everything for you. Okay, so it is every my carousel according to the instruction I have provided. Now you can see the changes. Just click on this and open. At page number habit 5, we have use AI tools to work smarter. That's what, like, I have just randomly got the idea and change it. So in this way, you can also do iteration and finalize your content. Once it will complete, you can also schedule the content inside the Canva. So you can just click on this Instagram, and I have already connected my Instagram with it. So I can just click on this post. Also, you can select the post here. Just you can directly post it by using this connect. How easy it is to make content. It will hardly take 2 or 3 minutes. This way you can also create content in a smart way, not just manually. You can do the hours of work in just few minutes by using Canva and Claude. I hope this video is helpful for you. So do like, share and subscribe, which is motivate us to create amazing content for you all. Let's take into this. Till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. If you want to more amazing Canva Claude stuff, then you can check out this video I have already pinned. So you can watch it, enjoy along with your coffee. Bye.